Hi, my name is Robert with Logitech G, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize controls on your G Cloud. Navigate to the top left corner and select Settings. From here, navigate down to the Controller option. Under Controller, select Remap Buttons. Now select the button that you would like to remap. From the list, choose your new function. You can repeat this step with any other buttons that you would like to remap. Hit the B button to return to the controller setting. Navigate to the joystick sensitivity and select it. Now select the profile that fits your personal needs and hit A. Test these settings in game and adjust if needed. And there you have it. You can find more tips and tricks for your G Cloud or other Logitech G hardware on YouTube or at logitechg.com. Until next time, thanks for watching.